traders high. Look, I missed market open. What I'm going to do here though is I'm just going to go over a few things that I'm noticing and just explain why I'm not, I missed market open, but obviously I could still trade, but just giving my perspective on why, I'm not particularly interested. All right, so HUSA, I missed that move. I think I talked about what did I talk about in my watch? Let's bring that up. My kitty's playing with a little stick as well, so apologies for the background noise. And Chopper Trader, or Chopper hashtag Trader, I appreciate the loving the accent, thank you. Some people think I'm American as well, or Canadian, like people that meet me in Australia, but my mother's Scottish, and when I was a kid I had a Scottish accent. It's morphed into sort of this thing, so go figure. Alright, so what was I dribbling on about this morning? Alright, so I've just a few stocks in the lineup. PGSY is a possible sell. Alright, let's see how that behaved. Sorry for the no, so it consolidated nicely. It's pretty slow. I'm seeing, like, because I had the meeting and it finished at like 10, so I like opened up the phone, saw Tim bought the dip buy on RETC, and I was like, oh okay, but I didn't really miss anything, so I'm sort of glad. Like, but at the end of the day, setups are going to come. What about LBUY, or is that just completely shit and low volume? Yeah, so it's traded high. Those candles mean it's very low volume, so it's not really interesting to me. I'm just going to stay away from that. What else did I say? XXII is a buy if it can crack through $2. And if there are shares to short, perhaps HUSA, which wasn't featured in this video, more updates to come closer to market open. So I think the more updates to come meant me posting the 15-minute chart. So if we could break the 60 cents. So yeah, so XXII, definitely no trade. Just sort of really, it's consolidating a bit of a wedge here. Is it bullish? Well, it's a wait and see. But then, there's major resistance at $2 that it couldn't crack yesterday. So, not yesterday. Well, was it yesterday? No, it wasn't. It wasn't yesterday. That was, session was this, the 31st. So that was Monday. Sorry, guys, I'm getting disoriented. And then, alright, so you got HSUA. And I explained why that wasn't preferred as a short, because I missed, and it's consolidating now, and there's a little bit of support here at 55-cent level. Alright. Oh, MBRX. Alright, so this is a little more it's seen about, so but that's that's a recent downtrend. So but it's already, I've missed this, so this happened. So I might have been watching that play. If it broke, but I've missed the meat of the move, really. I mean, I probably would have gone in at what's the low? What's the close on that? No, it'd be the low. The low would have been 256, and then it got down to the low. It's 2. No, don't do that to me, please. So it's saying the low there is 259. Well, the low is not 259 because that's traded at 246. So it's only really 10 cents a share to be made. So I'm not really dwelling on that. Yeah, so I've got the HUSA chart up just to see. I didn't mention it in that video, but I've got a line here. I'll bring up what I've got. And I didn't really have any commentary, but that's 60 cents. That's 60.09. Okay, and what has it done? It's cracked that. So trying to understand my thesis behind this though. Be good if that was sort of clearly outlined in the, but it is not, everybody. So I apologize for that. I think it's tested a little bit, and that's probably got me. That close at the end of the market yesterday, is that a 15-minute chart? It is a 15-minute chart, so that's probably what's interested me. And it continued. It spiked a little bit, but it collapsed. So yeah, I might have sold into that, because if it closed at yesterday, it closed at 60. and then went down as. Alright, so there's not really. I mean, that's 2 cents a share, so I didn't miss a lot. But anyway, guys, just a recap video. I guess it's also keeps my mind off, trading as well. And shout out to Stephen R. $899 trading MTBC. And I saw some commentary from Tim. Oh, he's put up a new video lesson. Nice. He put up a new video lesson as well. But I also noticed in his commentary he said, don't be chasing trades, guys, and that's extremely important. So it's Wednesday. I'll do an end of week recap on how I'm doing my demo trading account as well. So I believe, just from memory, I am still in the red a little bit after I made a couple of incorrect trades. So learning, guys. Yeah, and who else? Shout out to Aiden Sharp as well. He's taking care of business. I apologize if I mispronounced the name. I'm extremely fucking sleep deprived. It's nearly midnight. Early start, business meeting, after dinner, went into the city, got it done, closed the deal. I do other stuff besides penny stocking, but I'm really enjoying the community though. It's mostly positive. I haven't really had any. I'm sure there's a little bit of negative, but I haven't really encountered it. So for me, it's 100% good. Anyway, guys, happy trading, safe trading. Watch that video lesson. I'm really enjoying them, and thanks, guys. Bye.